Hi angels, good morning. So today I just wanted to talk about this lovely bag that I've been using. Recently, you all know I had a trip to the outlet. The Dooney and Bourke outlet, and at the premium outlets when I was there I had so much fun, and I went ahead and picked up a mini Barlow for my collection. So this is my lovely mini Barlow, and it's in pebbled leather, and it's so pretty. When I tell you girls, the pebbled leather on this bag is such beautiful leather. So I wanted to use this lovely bag with my Birkenstock. Because the bag is pebbled leather, the bag goes so well with my leather Birkenstock sandals. So for the summer, I will be wearing these together. So today I just wanted to go ahead and talk about this lovely bag. So I'll showcase what all I'm carrying on the interior of my lovely bag. So I went ahead and gave you girls a little sneak peek of the interior of my handbag, my mini Barlow, Dooney Bourke Mini Barlow. But these are some of the items that I was carrying in the bag. So despite the bag being small, being the mini size, it does really hold a lot. It can hold a lot. And I absolutely love this little makeup case. So you see, this is a small makeup case, and it could fit inside my mini Barlow. And then I went ahead and had in the side compartment, I had my Sol de Janeiro perfume, fragrance mist, as well as some lippies, some MAC lipstick and other lippies. I had some Hemp's lotion in one of the side pockets. So the side pockets of the bag can hold little extras as well as your keys and your cell phone in the front and the back side pockets of the bag. On the interior of the bag, I had the makeup case. I have a sunglass or eyeglass case holder, as well as my vintage Dooney and Bourke coin purse for coins. And today for my wallet, I was using this lovely The Sack key case. I was using this lovely The Sack card case because the bag is kind of small, and I did want to try to go ahead and use a full-size wallet in there, but if I used the full-size wallet, then I wasn't going to have room for a lot of the other things. So I was at first thinking about using my Art Deco wallet because I've just been addicted to carrying this Art Deco wallet. I love it so much. I haven't been able to switch out of it in many of my bags. But because this is a smaller handbag, it's a mini size, the mini Barlow, I just went ahead today and used the Le Sac card case, and the leather I thought matched up pretty well with the leather of other items in my bag, like the vintage Dooney and Bourke coin case. But I absolutely am loving this pebbled leather Dooney and Bourke Barlow. You could see the lovely leather on this bag, how detailed the pebble grain is, just beautiful, the pebble grain leather. And I like this one because I also like some of the other mini Barlows, but if you notice, this one, the handles are black. So the leather is black on this one. You know, with most of the mini Barlows, you get the brown Vachetta leather handles. So like you'll have the salmon color Barlow with the vachetta leather brown, and those are beautiful as well, because I was thinking about getting another color, but with this one it's black on black, so you're getting an all black bag, which is just absolutely beautiful. And then let's look at that lovely red interior, you guys. Just so pretty. But this is pretty spacious for a mini bag. I mean, you have to consider and think. Look at all the items that it held up pretty well, you guys. So today I just wanted to talk to you all about my lovely mini Barlow and the items that I'm carrying and how I plan on matching it up and wearing it with my Birkenstock. I hope you girls enjoyed my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more fun videos, and I'll see you soon in my next video.